Hello everyone. Well, another day, another N85 that works just fine. Just needs a new face. So let's begin. And whoop. Take out the screws. Here's the cover. There we go. Let the sortation begination. What the heck did I just said? Will get changed, and here we have two screws. There we go. I'm happy that this thing fell off. Now I can put it in the new body shell. Let's take a look at this little boy. Pretty, not so dusty, but enough. There we go. Good. Here's the cable for the display. There we go. Well, here's the flex cable, which is in good condition. No cracks or whatsoever. Good. And the slide mechanism. So, I'll get to cleaning and be right back. Well, time to reassemble it. So, I will need you clean it the best I could. So make it connect. Magic. Good. And this here. There we go. Good. Oh boy. Just put this here. Good. This is foolproof, so you can put it upside down. So in that case, I'll just put this here to hold it in place. Ha! Now, play with that. Click. Aha! Yeah, apparently this new one is missing this little part, so I'm going to take it from this one. Good. So let's start it up. I also did a factory reset on it. And I also activated the shortcut keys. Now, well, here I have another N85 that has been refurbished. This is the phone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful in case you have this phone. As a note, the main board, it's very sensitive to static. Try to work with gloves or protect it somehow so that it won't short circuit it. I've never met a main board as sensitive as the one on the N85. Maybe there are other phones the same as sensitive, but this one gave me a hard time. Well, not this one, other N85s that I've managed to break. So yeah, again, thank you very much for watching. You are awesome. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up. Don't be shy and hit that subscribe button. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.